friends, I'm Amit. I'm here for running, and recently I did yoga also because there is some, what we can say, our youth doing yoga. Okay, so just I join it and I did also yoga. So it is very stunning experience for me, and I'm pleased that their coach leads their in towards bright future, because when we do yoga, so it is just create a type of friction, and it gives us energy and also mentally fit and physically also fit. Okay, because because when we do yoga, then just create a friction in our mental health and all the neurons of our body that inculcate. Okay, so it will very blatant for us. Okay, so if you not go with yoga, so I just suggest you that you should go with yoga and uh, do it on the basis, that means daily basis. Okay, and now I'm going to return towards my home. And how have you been in these days? Okay, so I'm just feeling now inculcate. So you should have to do yoga, okay, on daily basis. Okay, so it will beneficial for you, and you also suggest as I am suggesting you. Okay, if any people thankful to you after suggesting them just to do yoga, then you also feel just like on the top. Okay, and you also like just feeling on, just you are on the cloud nine, and just all the things. Okay, so bye, see you, take care.